To enable or disable live captions in Realme GT 8 Pro, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find sound and vibration options. Enter them, and then first thing you will see on the top is live caption. Click on it, and then there's the option to enable or disable it. Now what it does, it will live caption the text-to-speech on your device and automatically generates the captions for that speech. You can also adjust the settings right here, like a language. You can switch to different language depending on your system. You can go for caption preferences to set the language again, text size for those captions, and the caption styles as well. There's expressive captions, hide profanity, live caption in volume control, type responses during calls, or many more options in voice for typed responses right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.